Hi, I have a beaker of plain deionized water and a solution containing some potassium iodide, and I'll show you the formula and reaction up on the board in a moment, and some lead nitrate. Both of these are clear solutions. Since this one contains the iodide, we usually put it in a brown bottle because iodide is photochemically active. Some light will go ahead and make it change over time, so we put it in a tinted bottle. I just put a little bit of that in, and watch this. This is a nice reaction. We form a solid precipitate. A yellow solid is formed. Over time, it'll crash down to the bottom of this beaker. It is lead iodide, which is very heavy, so it'll sink down to the bottom of the beaker. Let me show you the net ionic equation and the overall reaction. I added a solution of lead nitrate. I have it correctly labeled as aqueous because all nitrates are soluble. Nitrate is a spectator ion. It doesn't do chemistry. If you think of it, it's a way of getting lead into solution. The other solution contains potassium iodide, and all potassium salts, because potassium's in group 1, are soluble. So this is correctly labeled aqueous solution. Now what's going to happen is when these are mixed, the spectator ions, nitrate and nitrate and the potassium plus will do absolutely nothing. They'll continue to float around in the solution. But the lead 2 plus and the I minus will get together and make a precipitate, a solid, the yellow solid that goes down to the bottom of the beaker. So I wrote up here a couple of potassium nitrates, and this is just to balance the reaction. I correctly have it shown as aqueous, meaning they're dissolved, floating around in solution, but this is our solid. Our net ionic equation, meaning do not include the spectator ions, does not involve nitrate or potassium plus. So the net ionic equation, or NIE, net ionic equation, contains lead 2 plus. Lead 2 plus is aqueous at the beginning because it was combined with the nitrate. It is 2 plus because each nitrate is -1. Gets together with a couple of iodides. The iodides are aqueous. They're floating around in solution. They were put in there with potassium, but now they get together and form the solid PbI2S, the solid lead iodide.